Manish Kumar, Managing Director and CEO of National Skills Development Corporation, is harbinger of skill development in the country. I request Dr. Kumar to kindly enlighten the audience by his address.
Thank you very much. It's a great pleasure to be part of this initiative. And it's nice to recollect some of the events which some of the speakers already mentioned. And I obviously would like to first thank Mr. Pay Emelson for his pioneering role in a way when it comes to the education sector. The approach that he has taken and his love for India, both of it coming together in the skill development sector, and his belief on the digital platforms and his ability to give skills in India. We had that initial conversation that he mentioned, and it's really great to see someone like Dr. Prashant Bhalla actually pick this issue up. His heart is being in the right place, following the true legacy of his father. I felt that he truly turned it around. It was just a thought in the beginning, but he quickly turned it around, and we had great support from almost 100 schools in government of Haryana, where we could initiate this whole idea of bringing in skills through a Kunskap-Kulen model and embed it into education as done through school. So completely new thing to be tried. But he took that challenge, and I think we have gone quite far. I know that in this journey there has been a bit of frustration. I'm specifically meaning this to Anders. Anders, you have been a great operational person, and I know that sometimes we have disappointed you, we have frustrated you by our delays. But as I always told you, that India is like a very big boulder, very big stone, very difficult to move in the beginning, but once it begins to move, it's very difficult to stop. And you can see how it is now beginning to roll, and it's taking new shape, new kind of business domains which we had not thought of initially. But your persistence and I think your motivation to all of us and Cecilia, it has really helped us to take this forward and bring it in the shape that it is today. There are some SSCs which have joined. I'm quite sure that there'll be many others who will be joining. Rajiv Mathur, you have done a great job. It's not easy to do this. Vandana Luthraji, I really want to thank you for your leadership. Everywhere where innovation is concerned, I've found you always more than willing to embrace it. I remember when we tried doing something in Finland where we wanted to do training of trainer for yoga, and your entire team actually assembled everything so quickly, and we could take it forward. And then we are here now, taking up something which is new, and I really look forward to more of it as we go forward. A few things which I want to mention. SkillEd as an institution, having been established in India now with a very good leadership from both sides, from Sweden and India, I think it's happening at a very right moment, because as you'll find, the PMKY3 is going to put a lot of emphasis on digital skilling, on having online platforms. So with your experience and the elements that you have created, I think you could be one of the pioneers in the manner in which we can take it forward. So I really look forward to this particular platform as we get into the PMKY3 eventually. There's also demand which is coming up from CBSE, Central Board of Secondary Education. We had a meeting with the chairman last week where Rajiv was present and Anders was present, and you guys put up a very nice show of what all can be done. And my hope is that someone like CBSE picking up your way of doing skilling is really going to create great impetus to skilling within the country, giving a lot more of comfort and a lot more of confidence to people. A change of mindset that we have often been dreaming of for a long time is something which will come because of this approach, which brings in quality, introduces that to skills, and then takes it up with institutions that are reputed across the country like CBSE. So very good timing in that sense. And I really feel that we have reached a point where something we started in August 2017 as a thought, people like Robin Sukia and others supporting us in Stockholm, Pei, of course, being the real driver, and then the industry there behind us, we could achieve quite a bit in this short time. But there is much more which we can do. And I still remember the lesson I took on driving, sitting in one of the driving training school out there. And I think I did quite well, because at the end of it, somebody went on to get a 16-wheel truck and asking me to drive it, because apparently I'd done quite well in the computer test. He was so sure that I could drive it, I was scared. So I obviously did not take up that challenge then, because I didn't have my driving license. But I'm going to take that up next time. And I'm sure that there are many more things which we can bring from Sweden. And I look forward to this partnership in more ways than one. For what we have taken so far, I'm really proud, but I think we can do much more, and let's keep an eye on that. So thank you everybody for your contribution, and thank you for your kind words. I know that you have been very generous to me, but the success actually belongs to each of you. I just thought about it. You made it happen. Thank you so much. Thanks.
Thank you very